Hi friends, welcome to the jungle. Today we are going to learn about animals and how they move. Are you ready to move like animals? Let's go! Flying like birds. That bird is flying. Let's try and fly like birds. First, let's stretch our arms like wings and fly like birds. Flapping your wings up and down. Fly high, fly low, just like the bird you see. Next, hopping like a kangaroo. A kangaroo hops. Let's hop like kangaroos. Bend your knees and boing, boing, boing. Look at you jump high like a kangaroo. Amazing. Boing, boing, boing. Like a kangaroo. Swimming like a fish. Time to dive into the water and swim like a fish. Wiggle your arms like fins and swish, swish, swish. Can you swim like a dolphin too? Let's glide through the water. Gliding through the water, swimming like a fish. Wow, now we crawl like snails. Crawling like snails. Let's slow it down and crawl like a snail. Go really slow. Can you wiggle your arms like a snail? Super slow. Nice job. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomping like elephants. Now let's stomp like big, strong elephants. Lift one foot and stomp, stomp, stomp. Swing your arm like a trunk. Let's make big stomping sounds. Boom, boom, like that big elephant. Swinging like a monkey. Monkeys swing through trees. Time to swing like monkeys. Stretch your arms up and pretend you're holding vines. Swing to the left, swing to the right. Oh, ooh, 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 ah, ah. You are such a fun monkey, swinging from one tree to the other like a monkey. Now let's waddle like penguins. Penguins waddle on ice. Can you waddle like a penguin? Keep your arms at your side and wobble back and forth.
Penguin, 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 penguin.
Prancing like a deer. A graceful deer prances through a meadow. Let's be graceful like deer. Lift your legs gently and prance through the meadow. So elegant and smooth. Let's prance like deers. Oh, look at them. Now we buzz like bees. Bees buzz around flowers. Time to buzz like a bee. Buzz around and pretend they're flying from one flower to the other. Scuttling like crabs. A crab moves sideways. Let's head to the beach and scuttle like crabs. Move sideways, one step to the left and one step to the right. Click your claws to snap, snap with your fingers. Let's scuttle like crabs. Wow, you did it. You did amazing. We flew like birds, hopped, swam, and even buzzed like bees. Let's learn animal names and their offspring and baby names.
There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name.
Alligator, baby name hatchling. Ant, baby name antling. Antelope, baby name calf. Ape, baby name baby. Bat, baby name pup. Bear, baby name cub. Beaver, baby name kitten. Bee, baby name larva. Beetle, baby name group. Bull, baby name piglet or farrow. Camel, baby name calf. Cat, baby name kitten. Cheetah, baby name cub. Chicken, baby name chick. Cow, baby name calf. Coyote, baby name whelp. Crane, baby name chick. Crocodile, baby name hatchling. Crow, baby name chick. Deer, baby name fawn. Dog, baby name puppy. Dove, baby name squab. Donkey, baby name foal. Duck, baby name duckling. Eagle, baby name eaglet. Elephant, baby name calf. Falcon, baby name ears. Fly, baby name maggot. Frog, baby name tadpole. Fox, baby name kit. Giraffe, baby name calf. Goat, baby name kid. Goose, baby name gosling. Guinea pig, baby name pup. Hare, baby name leveret. Horse, baby name foal. Impala, baby name calf. Jaguar, baby name cub. Kangaroo, baby name Joey. Koala, baby name Joey. Leopard, baby name Cub. Llama, baby name Rhea. Monkey, baby name Infant. Nightingale, baby name Chick. Owl, baby name Owlet. Parrot, baby name Chick or Hatchling. Peacock, baby name Peachick. Pig, baby name Piglet. Quail, baby name Chick. Rabbit, baby name Kit. Rat, baby name Pup or Kitten. Sheep, baby name Lamb. Swan, baby name Cygnet. Tiger, baby name Cub. Turkey, baby name Poult. Wikari, baby name Infant. Euro, baby name Lamb. Vulture, baby name Chick. Weasel, baby name Kit. Cerus, baby name Pup. Yak, baby name Calf. And zebra, baby name Colt. And now we have learnt more than 50 animal names and their baby names.
My bunny lies over the ocean. My bunny lies over the sea. My bunny lies over the ocean. Oh, bring back my bunny to me. Bring back, oh, bring back my bunny to me, to me. Bring back, oh, bring back my bunny to me.
Let's talk about animal habitat. A habitat is like a home for animals, just like you live in your house or an apartment. Animals need a special place where they can find food, water, shelter, and space to live and grow. Did you know different animals live in different kinds of habitats? Can a fish survive on land?
Oh no!
No. Can you find a lion in a jungle or in a grassland? Well, let's find out. We have grasslands, jungles, ocean, deserts, and other animal habitats. Therefore, let's explore where we can find different animals and why they live there. First, let's visit the jungle. Welcome to the jungle. Jungles are full of tall trees, vines, and lots of plants. It's also very warm and rainy there. But it's not just trees. What else can we find in the jungles? Yes, we can find animals in the jungles, but not all animals live in the jungle. Can you guess an animal that lives in the jungle? Yes, we have monkeys, parrots, jaguars, and other animals that love living in the jungle because it helps them to get plenty of food and stay safe, have children, live and thrive. Jungle animals have strong claws like monkeys for climbing the tree. The monkey is climbing the tree with its claws. Also, animals that live in the jungle have long tails. It helps to steady them and keep them stable to jump from tree to tree, just like that monkey. We also have parrots that have colorful feathers for camouflaging in trees and away from dangerous predators. What amazing skills these animals in the jungles have. Now let's move to the ocean, the ocean habitat. We have animals that can breathe in the water and animals that breathe air, but they all live and thrive in the ocean. Do you know an animal that can breathe air but lives in the water? Yes, we have sea turtle. Did you know a sea turtle can hold its breath for 2 hours under the water? Wow, what an amazing skill. We also have fishes that breathe underwater with their gills. Without the gills, they can't breathe underwater. So let's give it to the amazing fishes that are able to breathe underwater. Now, let's move to the desert. Can you see those animals that are moving around in the desert? Yes. We have different animals like camels, meerkats, and rattlesnakes that live in the desert. Did you know the desert is very hot? And it's a very dry place with lots of sands. Look at those meerkats. They have thick fur that keeps them warm in the desert. They also make holes, like burrow into holes, that helps them to protect them from the weather. And like some snakes, the rattlesnake has venomous poison that keeps them safe from predators. Wow, what special skills they have to live and thrive in the desert. Now we have the forest. Let's visit the forest. The forests have lots of trees and plants, and they can be warm or cool. Can you guess any animal that lives in the forest? Oh yes, we have bears, deers, and owls that live in the forest. They find food and shelter among the trees. They also have amazing skills to survive the weather in the forest. Like the chameleon can camouflage and hide itself in that tree. What amazing skills they have. Now let's talk about the grassland. We have wonderful animals in the grassland. Grasslands are large, open areas with lots of grass, but not many trees. Yes, animals like that zebra, lion, elephants live there. They enjoy the wide open spaces when they run and find food. They have strong legs to run and catch food. Oh, and they also have keen senses that help them to be on the lookout for the predators. And they love living in social structures where they have families around them. Do you think you will enjoy living in the grassland? Remember, it's up to us to protect these precious habitats and the amazing creatures that live in them. So let's join forces to preserve our planet for generations to come. Hope you enjoyed learning about the animal habitats we have.